Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily unlink your Rockstar account from Steam. Let's begin. First, open up your favorite browser. I have Chrome right over here. Go to the official website, log into your account, and once you are here, I want you to click on your profile icon on this side and then choose the drop down option for accounts and click on manage accounts, or you should have the option also to click on settings. So click on it to manage accounts. Over here, you will see connections. Click on connections and you will basically show all of the platforms you can easily connect. We have PlayStation, Xbox, Twitch, Discord. And if you're not seeing Steam in here, it's okay. But for example, if you have Steam, you can click on the arrow and then just click on Unlink. You just need to confirm. Once done, you will head back to this screen and you can also continue to unlink other platforms as well. Now, if it's not showing up, what you can do is head over to the homepage, click on support, and you just need to send or submit a ticket. You can scroll down and click on submit a request. Just tell them that you would like to unlink your Steam account to your official or Rockstar account. Now, take note, this might take around 24 to 48 hours to be completed, and you will receive a email notification. So you can also do this vice versa. You can go to Steam and submit also a ticket from their end. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.